What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys, which is Nesians in general. Yeah. So for today we're going to be reacting to a brother here from Brisbane. His name is Nokz and his latest drop is called Drop. And it's an official music video clip. So I see it's 27 on trending, which is pretty sicky, and I heard it's a banger. And I saw Nokz's story saying it's not for everyone, but if it's for you, then it's for you. So I'm not too sure what this is gonna be like, but keen to check it out. If you're new to my channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it heaps. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when we upload videos for you guys. But yeah, thank you to those that have requested for us to react to a track. Appreciate it heaps fam. And before we get into this track, you know the go PolyMovement.
Whaatolu ainga on Instagram, Facebook, check him out, support our poly business out there, get you some merch, other merches out there too. I'm sure he's got other designs, but we like these ones. These were given to us by Lord Lance, thank you so much, bro. And check them out on Whaatolu ainga.
On Instagram. But yeah, other than that, let's get to the track.
Tell them that we're off to the top till we drop. Never stop for months, we're still locked. Stay chasing banks to the day that I'm knocked. Stay moving to the casket drops, to the casket drop. Go tell them that we're off to the top until we drop. Never stop for months that we lost. Gang chasing banks to the day that I'm knocked. Stay moving to that casket drops. Said they know when it's knock up, I only do it proper. Gang like coppers or change when we rock up. They tourist in the 8, but I ain't talking big popper like a high speed chase. I follow with the chopper. Bopper, too sick need a doctor. I only take an offer if all my usos prosper. Trying to make moves to it all, eating lobster.
That's what I love about them, eh? They're so family oriented with their brothers and stuff like that.
They don't figure themselves, they think
they take the whole gang with them.
I love that Brisbane vibe.
And what I notice is instead of trying to leave the hood, they try and make it better. For everyone, especially for the youngins that are growing up as well. Like that's what I love about these guys.
Do you know that? I love that, but you don't take the offer.
Yeah, unless I won't take the offer unless my brothers prosper as well.
That's...
Damn, that's it deep, man. Fuck.
Very nice. Oh my gosh.
Your brothers are lucky to have you, and you're lucky to have your brothers. Oh, this is totally different vibe. For sure.
Used to it all, eating lobster. Dogs in the field, or what's a dog to a monster? I was 16, pushing 10.
Did I go too far back? Sorry.
Yeah.
I only take an offer if all my usos prosper. Trying to make moves to it all, eating lobster. Dogs in the field, or what's a dog to a monster? I was 16, pushing 10 knees. And now I'm 23, I'm about to live like a king. Make bread and break bread with the same team. I only hang with usos who had the same dreams. That's why it's always 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4. Do it for the days that we slept on the floor. Calling out my mom like don't work anymore. Like grab anything inside of the store. Tell them what's up, hey. Girl, tell them that we're off to the top until we drop. Never stop for my usos still locked.
Wait a damn minute, I'm about to tear up. I'm like, oh man. Bro, again, I'm wearing makeup.
Because you hear that all the time.
Yeah, with these guys.
With Nokz and his brother, you know, they got nothing but 100%, 200% love for their mum. They acknowledge their mum. They appreciate everything that their mum's done for them since their upbringing, you know. And these guys are always grateful. And they always say it. They always hope for that day where their mum doesn't have to work anymore. That all she'll have to do is just stay home and they will support.
Yeah.
Tell them that we're off to the top until we drop. Never stop for my usos still locked. Chasing bags to the day that I'm knocked. Stay moving to that casket drops, to that casket drops. So tell them that we're off to the top until we drop. Never stop for my usos that we lost. Chasing bags to the day that I'm knocked. Stay moving to that casket drops, to that casket. money habits. If I let this thing go, I know someone will grab it. Mama always told me that I was better than average. Growing up, I always tough, our family always managed. I've been damaged, but that life I had to turn from it. Every L that I've taken, bro, I learned from it. So I'm never in the losing team. My mama told me do this music thing until the day the whole team earns from it. Bro, I'm trying to be on a road with a bad one. I'm trying to be at the shows with a bad one. Can't wait to see mum's face when the bag comes. Buying her bags and shoes like she never had to. Twice always 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bags, 4. Do it for the days where they said that we was full. Calling baby moms like they work anymore. Saying grab anything inside the wall. Tell them what's up. Tell them that we're off to the top till we drop. Never stop for more, it's too long. Stay chasing bags to the day that I'm Nokz. Stay moving till that casket drops, till that casket drops. Go tell them that we're off to the top until we drop. Never stop for more, so that we lost. Gang chasing bags to the day that I'm Nokz. Stay moving till that casket drops. My also go tell them that we're off to the top until we drop. Never stop for more, so go gang chasing bags to the day that I'm Nokz.
Honestly, just seeing them two together just makes me emotional. Like,
no, yeah. I think if you've been watching for a while, you know that I love these two. I really love with MC, realists to me.
I reckon the first person that I ever remember following from Brisbane was Nokz, and I've always admired him since then. He just...
Oh, I never heard about him until
we started
reactions, and then you were bringing up how...
Yeah.
Oh, true.
Oh man, these two just warmed my heart, eh? Freak.
You never hear this. You never hear this from Sydney. Eh? You get cheeky. Yeah. There's always that unique.
Yeah, that little bunch.
Yeah, little bunch from Sydney that doesn't that raps in their vulnerability side.
Yeah.
Vulnerable side, but.
Tell them that we're off to the top until we drop. Never stop for the days that we lost. Gang chasing bags to the day that I'm Nokz. Stay moving till that casket drops.
Oh, that's so neat, isn't it?
Nice studio, eh?
Yeah. So what do you think about the track? I'm cold, I'm just gonna have a drink.
This kid, only 23.
He looks so young. I feel like he could be my little brother. Like, that's how young he looks to me. Like, man. My heart, man.
Big ups to Sammy Clips. You said Sammy.
Oh, chips.
Big up to Sammy Clips for the visuals.
100%.
Produced by Dimes again.
Yeah.
Dimes. I just love this Brisbane A thing. It's just
100%, man.
You guys are so lucky up there.
Hold up.
Us looking in.
Man.
I wish we were in that crowd. Just that atmosphere,
the energy,
the love,
the same goal that you guys have.
Supporting one another. It's just
always, eh?
I mean, I've got to admit here in Melbourne, it's a bit. We've got very few. Like we got M's, but it's very. Like you don't want to step on anyone's toes, and you don't want to go out and ask in case they think, I just think because you got a YouTube channel that you're famous or something.
Their thinking is quite odd, eh?
That's not the that's not the attitude that we want. That we just want to blend in. Everyone treat us like normal humans, and that's what I love about this.
Bloody hell. Man, you guys, honestly, you guys got us speechless, especially you, Nokz.
Especially after the last song,
I
was thinking, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna pick up. I'm not gonna pick up anything. Maybe we should go try and pick up things.
I think that's what I thought, and then I was watching Nox's story where he was saying he was gonna stop with the drilling while like he started off with drilling, but that's sort of not what he wants to do. Like he wanted to sort of branch off and do something else, something along those lines. And honestly, bro, I'm so glad that you did. Like, whatever you do, honestly, we support you 100%. Because music like
all
this,
of you
man,
guys in Brisbane, you guys are just on a different level. The like level that only we could wish to be in amongst.
Like the respect and just love that I have for you guys, and admiration as well. Like, man, I look up to you guys like big time. You guys, just everything in general. This track is definitely a banger. It just makes me reminisce, as well as just the vibes in general. Like when it's summer, this will definitely be a track I'll play. I give it a 10, fam. I love the visuals, man. It just gives off like a positive vibe, and seeing the boys in it and they're just laughing, having a good time, you know. Yeah. Anything else, Mummy?
No, I give it a 10 too, of course.
Still got
more. And just left me speechless, because I was expecting from what was last one. That's that kind of thing I was expecting. But in all honesty, that to me that last clip didn't suit. I mean,
I felt like it wasn't him or something, but I don't know. Just from what I've been watching and stuff like that, I feel like. But
it's good, like every now and then it's good to step out, and so we're just saying that, just referring back to Nokz's last song, it just felt different. But it's good, to try different, because you never know the type of crowd you'll get from that, and you'll never know. It's good to try things. You'll never know what until you try it. But anyways, this one. I'm so glad Nokz is
I know.
back.
Nokz, this is what I want to see.
This is what I like about Nokz. I'm the MC.
Can I be one of the boys? Just one time. Damn. Honestly, nothing but love and respect for you guys. Keep up what you guys do over there, especially you Nokz. Like, honestly, just been watching you for like maybe a couple years or just a year or so now. It's just seeing you grow, honestly, it's inspiring, and I'm just happy for you where you're at now. And I'm glad you're starting with the clips and stuff as well, which is awesome. Like, really taking it seriously, which I love. Please support the bro PolyMovement. Subscribe to the bro's channel. Please support the fams. Support 7/8. Subscribe and share. Also on Nokz, share stories on Instagram and Facebook. But yeah, fams. Don't forget also PolyMovement with our gear as well. These are from Fatulu Ainga on Instagram. I'm not too sure if they have Facebook, but if they do, I'll have it in the description box below for you guys to check out. Too. Yeah, get you guys some gear. 4388, let's go. There we go. But other than that, fams, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.